Hey guys, so I'm back on campus. I had to come back early for rehearsals because I'm in a show, but I'm currently going to the mail center because I have like 4 boxes that I'm gonna unbox for you guys. This vlog might be a lot of different qualities because one of them is a camera, and I'm so excited. But we're just gonna go and we're gonna grab them, and I might be able to carry them all, I might not. And then, yeah. Hey guys, so I know this is a really super weird angle, and I'm gonna try to block the sun from you, but I kind of like this. I'm going to unbox some things that I got recently. I just got back to school, so it's kind of like I just shipped everything to my school P.O. box because that's a lot easier, and I didn't know when this would come, so I didn't know if I would be home. I'm also going to do some little life updates because a lot has been going on in the last month for me, and basically, oh, this is my safety razor. Sweet. Basically what's happened is my parents moved down south. They're still on the East Coast. I'm not going to say where they are just for safety reasons. But basically, they left me here. So I'm still going to school here. I will not be leaving this college or anything like that. But I had to live with my boyfriend for the last month. And then he went back to school and I moved in with my best friend for about 4 days. So it's been a little bit stressful, a little emotional. Because, you know, I've never been without my parents. Like, I went off to college and everything. Okay, so this is a stainless steel and bamboo handle double-edged safety razor by Wow, WOWE. And yeah, I wanted to get one of these because it's a lot more eco-friendly. So anyways, yeah, that happened. And it's been an interesting time. And then I also took 2 online classes, which were super stressful as well. And I worked from 9 to 5 every single, not 9 to 5, 9 to 4, so much less, every single day. And yeah, so it's a lot. It was a lot. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, so these are these little reusable cotton rounds, and they are by, I can't remember what the Etsy store name was, and she didn't put in a note or anything. Her name is Sheila, but I will put the Etsy name right there. But I got these, and these are just reusable cotton rounds, and they're made out of fleece, and they're so freaking cute. I'm gonna use these for not only cotton rounds but as makeshift cotton balls as well because it's more eco-friendly. Okay, so yeah, I was working and I was doing that, and then yeah, I was doing those things over the break, so it was a little bit stressful. I have had a lot of anxiety and problems and stuff like that, so I'm going to be talking about that in another video, but I just wanted to update you guys and tell you what's been going on with me. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and I also, excitingly, ordered a new camera. So that's one of the packages that I'm going to open. Oh my god, look how cute this is! Here. There she is. Little Samsonite 20-inch carry-on suitcase that I need. That kind of matches my other one. I need that because I'm going down to where my parents live on spring break. Okay, this is the big boy. This is my camera. I'm really hoping that is in good condition. I got it off of eBay, so it said it was new. It has the eBay guarantee, so if it is not what I ordered, then I can get my money back. But if you guys are looking for new cameras or anything, they have really, really great prices actually on eBay. I hate bidding. I hate it so much. It's so difficult to do. I almost won for the other camera that I also got. I got a new vlogging camera, and then I got a new normal camera. And so, yeah, it's a lot, but they have some prices that are set. So those are super, super nice. And those work so much better, I find, than trying to get them on just bidding. Okay, guys, I am so excited. This is the Canon PowerShot G9X Mark II. Basically, I debated getting the G7X, and literally I watched a video online. Can't remember the guy's name right now, but I'm gonna put it right here, right now, too. And he basically said that the only difference, he did a whole review on it with video footage and everything like that. He said the only real difference is that the G9X does not have a flip-up camera. What are they called? The screen. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. So the screen on this does not flip up. So you can't see yourself, which is like kind of sucky for vlogging, but I also feel like I will vlog more if I just have this tiny camera in front of me and I don't actually have the flip up camera looking at myself. Like, that's just kind of weird. That's kind of weird to me. And like, if I saw someone doing that walking around, I wouldn't want to. Oh, I hope this battery is charged. Ah! You guys, like, I'm so emotional right now. I'm actually shaking. I've been waiting to do this for so long. I just love vlogging and I love filming, and I really, really wanted this camera. So here we go. Okay. Oh, gotta lock it. Oh. How do I do that? There we go. Can you turn on? Oh my god! I'm literally a small child. Like, what is happening? Okay, so what is the date today? How do I... It's touchscreen! Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys, I'm so excited. I need to get a memory card in. Hold on. Okay, so I just put the memory card in, and I'm gonna stop vlogging on here, and I'm just start vlogging on here. Okay. I don't know how this is gonna work, because I don't know what I'm doing, and I look really terrible right now, but that's fine. So I've tried to mess around with the camera settings. Not exactly sure what I'm doing, but it's fine. Hey guys, so I just wanted to finish off this vlog. I know I touched on some things in the video, but I also wanted to talk about, oh my god, I can't, sorry. I wanted to talk about a few things at the very end, and I wanted to try out using this new camera. So please, please, please be gentle with me. I literally have no idea what I'm doing filming with this camera. I also cannot see myself because this does not have a viewfinder. I couldn't think of the word earlier. Anyways, so I don't know if I'm in focus right now. I know my acne is covering my face. I was very stressed over the last month, but I just wanted to talk about a few things that I like briefly mentioned. So with my whole parents thing, yeah, they did leave me. That sounds very, it's not that bad. I still have a room. They're not abandoning me. It's fine. They just decided that they needed to move. Will not be like moving colleges or anything like that. So many people, so many of my relatives have asked about that too. And just because of my major and the way things are working out, I'm not transferring, and I also wouldn't transfer. I don't need to be that close to my parents. But I love my parents. My mom is my best friend, but I just feel like in order to progress as a grown-up, you have to be able to like let go at some point. And so this is only just going to make it easier when I have to leave after college, and they're not going to follow me wherever I go, at least until I have children. At least that's what my mom says. So I might do a video about that, because I don't know if there's other people that have dealt with this and how they're feeling and all that kind of stuff. And so I feel like I might talk about it in a vlog or something like that instead of just like a normal video, which is why I'm enjoying getting back into vlogging. I kind of talked about it, not really in the previous clips, but I have been dealing with some anxiety issues, quote unquote. I'm saying quote unquote because I don't have anxiety, at least it's not diagnosed. I don't have a diagnosed disorder, but because of the stress of working a job and taking 2 online classes and not having my parents there and living with my boyfriend and his family, which they were wonderful, but it's a different environment. All of that not only led to me breaking out as bad as I am right now, but it also led to a lot of like emotional, I had a lot of like weird anxiety, kind of panic attack things that I normally don't have as consistently as I was having. And so it was very weird for me because I've never experienced it before. I'm so much better now. I'm feeling a lot better. I knew that if I came back to school, I would probably be okay, but I said, you know, if you're not okay, like, you need to go somewhere and get help and talk to someone about it. My boyfriend knows about it too, so I wasn't just keeping it to myself. I just want to talk about it like more in detail because I feel like as someone who doesn't like experiences anxious feelings but doesn't have an anxiety disorder, I don't really fit in anywhere, and I don't feel like there's many people who talk about it or many resources just for people who are feeling anxious but not consistently. So I want to talk about it and see, give other people comfort and also give myself comfort, because I could just be the only person who ever feels this way sometimes, but I know I'm not. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about that a little bit, explain that a little bit more. And yeah, I'm so excited to start the semester off. It's gonna be so much fun. I have my first rehearsal tonight. It's just a read through and a sing through, which I am very nervous for, to be honest. I am not the greatest singer. I also haven't sung in a really long time, so we shall see. The show that I'm doing is Sweet Charity, and it's kind of like a 60s, 70s kind of era, and then it's just it's a very interesting show. It's an older show though, obviously. Usually the kind of 60s, like, it's kind of like Anything Goes, like 9 to 5, Dirty Rounds, kind of, it's like that era. That's what we've been doing a lot at my school for musicals, but it's gonna be so much fun. I'm a part of the ensemble. I don't have a huge role, but I'm just so happy to be in a musical and be able to dance and have fun with my friends. Okay, so another thing that I wanted to talk about is the fact that I have not been on YouTube for literally like 2 months. So the reasoning behind that, I'm going to try to be quick because this vlog is already way too long. So basically at the end of the semester I was super stressed and I had a lot of stuff to get done for finals, and there was a lot of like drama going around with my friends, not like with me with my friends, but like they were going through a lot of stuff, so I was trying to be supportive and there for them, and it was a lot to even try and upload a video a week. And then over break, as I told you guys, I was bebopping around different places and I just didn't feel like comfortable filming videos at my boyfriend's house. Like, I just felt kind of weird about that, and also I was working until 4 every single day and the sun was down by the time that I got home, so I didn't have any natural sunlight to film in. I didn't really, like, I brought my camera home, but I just wasn't feeling inspired for videos, and I feel like I took the break and I planned out a lot of videos to do, and I'm really excited for all of them. And yeah, I think taking that break is what I needed, honestly. One other thing that I wanted to talk about. So YouTube has done, I'm sure you guys, if you are YouTubers, you've gotten the email. You might have gotten the email whether or not you are, I don't know who it got sent out to. But the way the YouTube partner program is working now, if you do not have 1,000 subscribers, which I don't, and 4,000 hours of view time in the last 12 months, I don't know, I have that part. That part is totally fine, but I do not have 1,000 subscribers. So basically, what the YouTube partner program allows you to do is it allows you to get monetized, which doesn't really make any difference for me. I don't make
barely any money from monetization and AdSense. I throw it on my videos just for the hell of it to see if I can get anything, and I don't really get anything. So that doesn't bug me. What bugs me is that part of the YouTube Partner Program includes end screens and all that kind of extra stuff that you can put in your video, and I use that stuff in all of my videos. So if you guys are interested, please, please, please subscribe down below and check out my other videos. There are going to be so many more videos with higher quality camera stuff coming up. I'm also transitioning into having my channel be more based on yoga and meditation and zero waste and minimalism and all that kind of stuff, whereas before it was kind of like a generic beauty channel. I'm also going to be doing a lot of vlogs. I'm also vegan, which I like never talk about now, and so I'll be doing, you know, vegan, what are they called? Eat day in my life food. I can't for the life of me remember what it's called right now. What I eat in a day. Oh my god, I'm literally insane. I haven't gotten enough sleep today, but I'm gonna be doing those. What I eat in a week, like that. Those are the kind of videos that super interest me right now, and that's really where I want my channel to go. So if you are interested in those kinds of things, please, please, please subscribe down below if you like what you see. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. Bye.